Here's a pair of JLab Studio wireless headphones. I'm going to show you how to enter pairing mode as well as how to do a factory reset, okay? So, first thing is on the one side here, you get the volume up, down, and you just have a power button there, okay? So these are currently off. Let me turn these on. I'm going to press and hold this button for a few seconds till the light turns on. And it just said hello. And now it says ready to pair. So as soon as I turn it on, it's already in pairing mode. You know it's in pairing mode when it's rapidly blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay, so for this instance, let's go ahead and pair something. You can pair to your TV or pair to your phone. Let me pair to my Android phone first, and let me show you. Okay, so we're going to go to settings. My Android phone is a Samsung Galaxy S20, by the way. And I'm going to go to connections, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. This is still in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, red, blue, red. Now under available devices, down here, let me see if, oh, there it is right there, JLab Studio, okay? Let me tap, if it stops, then make sure you just scan again, okay? So it stopped, let me scan it, and it's gonna relook for available devices. Okay, so, okay, now I found it, JLab Studio, so let me tap on that. Okay, now I get a pairing request on this Android phone here. Okay, now it said connected, battery full, and I can see 100% battery here remaining as well. Okay, now we connected this phone, okay? Now let me go ahead and just turn these off. I'm gonna press and hold for a few seconds. Press and hold for a few seconds. It just said goodbye, okay? Now, let's say for instance, you want to connect to a different device, maybe your tablet or your computer or your TV. In this case, we're going to say another phone. This is going to be an iPhone this time. So now let's turn this on the same way we did in the beginning. If I press and hold the power button for a few seconds, it's on. Said hello. You're connected, battery full. They must be talking about this Android phone that I was connected to. I paired there. So now, this is what I'm doing because I want to pair it to my iPhone. So what I'm going to do, I can always go to my Android phone and then unpair it. Or if you're on an iPhone, you can forget device. But in this case, I already connected to this. Let me turn these off now. Okay, now it said goodbye. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put it into pairing mode. This time what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold this button. I'm going to wait till it enters pairing mode. Okay, if I just press it for a few seconds, it's going to connect to this phone here. So now power button, I'm going to press and hold and keep on holding. Hello? Ready to pair. Now I let go of that power button. And now it's in pairing mode. Now I can connect to a different device. And we're just going to go to my new iPhone here. I'm going to go to settings. And then from settings, we're going to go down to Bluetooth. This is the iPhone 15, by the way. And then under devices, okay, JLab Studio. So there it is. Let's tap on that. Okay, it said connected, battery full, and we're connected here. Okay, there we go. Now, let's say you had an issue pairing or connecting, or maybe when you're connected here, the volume is only working on one side, or it's staticky, it's cutting in and out, or it's going out of sync or whatnot. Then you can do a factory reset as well, okay? So, for us to reset these, we have to put these in pairing mode first, okay? So let me turn these off first. I'm gonna press and hold the button here for a few seconds. Okay, it just said goodbye. Now it's turned off. Now I got to put it in a pairing mode, okay? I was connected to a different device than before, so now when I press, I need to press and hold the power button and keep on holding until it enters pairing mode, okay? So, power button here. I'm going to enter pairing mode now. Ready, set, go. Just press and hold and keep holding. Keep on holding. Ready to pair. Now I know it's in pairing mode because it's blinking blue and red. Now we can factory reset these while they're in pairing mode. To factory reset these is a 2-key combination. Very simple. It's the volume up, volume down. Press and hold both buttons together. Keep holding for about 13 seconds until the light turns off here. Okay, so we'll do it together. Is in pairing mode? Yep. Now let's factory reset these. Volume down, volume up. Ready, set, go. Press and hold for about 13 seconds or so until the lights turn off here. Or you hear like a beep, beep, still holding. Beep, beep. And then lights went off. Let go. Now your headphones are turned off, okay? And we just factory reset these. So now let's go ahead and turn them back on. So when I turn them back on, it's not connected to nothing now. So I can just press and hold for a few seconds. Hello? Ready to pair. It's automatically in pairing mode. So now let's say, for instance, you want to go back and pair it to a device that you had before, for example, like an Android phone. So now, because I had it paired before, I need to go to settings, and then I'm going to go to connections, and I'm going to go Bluetooth again. So now it's in pairing mode. It's blinking red and blue here, but it's not going to show up under available devices because remember, we paired it first up here. It said pair devices. What I had to do is tap on JLab Studio here, and I'm going to tap on unpair. If you have an iPhone, it would be forget device, okay? So unpair, unpair. Now, the JLab Studio available device is down here, and it's still in pairing mode, so now I can tap on there, and I can now reconnect to this Android phone. Okay, pairing request, tap on pair. Connecting for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining. And there we go. I hope that helped you guys out.